And we have protected film on the front side. On the right side, power key and slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side, wall buttons. Upside, jack for headphones. Downside, micro USB port. Okay. On the back side, triple camera LED and speaker. Shock resist body with IP68. Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. Have Android 10, CPU MediaTek MT6737. Look results. This quad-core processor. CPU we have 1.3 Hz speed. Okay, close this. Look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results. Open Guitar San Andreas. Works very good, without lags and glitches. Guitar San Andreas work very good on the medium graphic level. Close this. Okay. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.